Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go device control. To know how to fix or to solve Monopoly Go device control, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about the window of Monopoly Go. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click clear cache, and and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.